This daily pattern can trigger weight gain. At hindi laging ang pagkain ng madami. It's chronic stress. Chronic stress can increase cortisol, a hormone that raises blood sugar and may also increase insulin levels over time. Ang insulin ay hormone na nagpo-promote ng fat storage. So kung laging mataas ang insulin mo, mahihirapan kang mag-lose ng weight. That's why some people still gain weight even if they feel that they're trying their best. Like they exercise every day, they go to the gym. If you're being stressed lately, your body may be asking for rest, not just more restriction. Simple things like better sleep, short walks, deep breathing, and taking breaks can help support your weight goals too. Kung may kakilala kayong ganito, share nyo lang ang video.